Films here. If you have a Canon printer like this, a TR8520, don't throw it out. Hang on to it. I'm going to show you how to save some money. So there's a lot of new printers that support e-ink subscription services or just ink subscription services. And that was the list of the Canon supported printers. For whatever reason, this very nice printer that's still pretty new is not supported. It doesn't do the Canon Ink Subscription Plus program, but I think I figured out a way around that. It's also kind of surprising that it's not supported. It has Wi-Fi and a lot of cool apps on the inside. But anyways, let's go in and get to how to do your own ink subscription, kind of a DIY. So what I did was I came to Amazon and I found the ink cartridges, and right up here where you see my mouse, it says subscribe and save. So you want to click on that, and then it's going to ask you how often you want your ink to come to you. So what I did was I tracked my usage for about a year, maybe a year and a half or so, and I figured out that I go through ink about every 6 months. So that's what I set it here to refill every 6 months. And I just got my first ink cartridges in the mail, and I didn't have to go to the store, so I saved money on gas and convenience. So I thought I'd share that with you all. Anyways, this is Mulkey Films. This is how to do DIY an ink subscription. Hope you like what you see. Please click subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.